Gearheads, thanks for tuning in. As you can see, Dan and I just brought home this 1967 El Camino. But first, he's got to get it in the garage and go over it with you. Hey Dan, run that intro!
Hey Gearheads, thanks for tuning in. As Ashley said, we just got home with a 67 El Camino. So, in order for me to get it in the garage, I gotta fill up these tires with air, and we're gonna go ahead and get it in the garage. We'll go over it a little bit with you. So all the wheels do rotate on this, so that's excellent. But what I do need to do is fill up the tires with air first. Maybe they'll hold. If not, I could take the tires off and probably reseat the bead. But I do like these wheels better, I think, for the 69 Super Sport, because they're that kind of style wheels. They may be for that, they may be off like a Buick or something, but they're definitely more SS looking wheels than 67 El Camino wheels. So we're probably going to end up taking these off, maybe putting on some rally wheels. But for now, let's get air in these. I got the winch hooked up in the garage, so we'll play tug of war with the winch on the trailer and winch on the garage, and we'll get it inside. Alright, so 3 out of 4 wheels held air. Pretty good. So I figure we'll go over what we can see. It does have a front sway bar. Like I said, there's no engine or transmission in it. The frame here on the driver's side behind the wheel looks like it's had a patch in it, and it's pretty rusted up here, so I think this one's going to need a frame. Without getting into the interior, floors looks like they're pretty shot, of course. Ooh, I see an issue with the frame back there. So besides a passenger front tire leaking air, we definitely do have major frame issues on this one, so it is definitely going to need a frame. So keep that in mind if you're interested in purchasing it. It will roll the way it is, but it'll need a frame. It does have a 10-bolt rear end in it, is missing a differential cover, but you're gonna have to rebuild that anyway. Looks like it has an air shock on one side and a standard shock on the other side. Of course, that is the one tire that did not hold air, so I'll have to put different wheels and tires on it, and we'll see where we're at on the top. Alright, I gotta lower the windows so I can steer this thing, and I'm always amazed at how well these windows work, so let's hope this one works just as smoothly. Unfortunately, the passenger window is broken, and we do have the vent windows, but there's no windshield or back glass. So as you can see, that worked out swimmingly, except it's a little bit crooked, but of course what I'm going to do is spin this thing around, so we'll get it up, we'll put good wheels and tires that hold air on it, then we'll go ahead and rotate it around. We've seen how much fun that was last time. But for now, I actually got to get the truck and trailer and put the 72 Pewter Silver Malibu on there. because that's going to go, after I get it running, it's going to go out to get some photo shoot sessions done, do a video walk around, and then that'll be for sale. So, okay, so that didn't exactly work out in time as I thought it would. It's been a little bit of time since I shot that stuff when I brought the car here. Obviously, as you can see, it's gained some extra baggage, so we are going to be doing a clean out video next on it. I'm going to cut this video short here. This is going to be kind of a Happy New Year thing. It's actually New Year's Eve right now, so if you're watching this, it's going to be after New Year's. So happy 2024 to you. Thanks for watching. If you like this stuff, please subscribe, follow, share, like. I am also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, DansgarageNC@gmail.com. If you're interested in buying this car or any of the other cars, and I actually do have that 72 Malibu, spoiler alert, I got it running. Not long, because I didn't put any fluids in it or anything. Well, I have oil in it. I didn't put antifreeze, so it does run. I did a full walk around video. I'll put the link up there. If you're interested in purchasing the car, go ahead and send me an email. Love to work out a deal with you. And same thing with any of my other vehicles. If you're interested in them, I am based in Raleigh, North Carolina. All the cars that are not here at my house are at my farm in Virginia. So I kind of have to move them around. I do have to process them one at a time. So if you're interested in one, don't ask me how much it's going to be. I don't know until I clean it out. I process it and I see what I think it's worth. Again, this one is going to need a frame. There's no motor or transmission. Most of the glass is missing, but the body looks pretty decent. We're going to clean this bed out, see what kind of chrome is in there. We're also going to get all those boxes off of the hood and go fix up the front end a little bit. So, other than that, I definitely thank you for watching. Stay positive and keep on wrenching.